Hello YouTube, I'm back with a really good video for you guys today and I'm doing something crazy. I'm going to be shaving my head. I've been blonde for about a year now, but it's come to that time where I want to go back to brunette. So I'm actually going to shave it off and start fresh. My hair grows very fast. These are my roots. It's been about maybe a month and a bit since I last got my roots done. I'm going to stop rambling because I want to get this over and done with. It begins. I'm just letting my sisters do what they have to do to get the deed done. What's our plan of attack? Ponytails?
We want to cut your hair off first, so we're going to cut
it. Might be a bit cleaner.
I sort of am really tempted to just shave down the middle. I actually can't go back now.
These are the bluntest scissors.
Good
1
choice.
hour later.
No, I don't regret it.
I won't regret it.
It's like, can I speak to the manager? Holy shit! Got it! Not these scissors. Holy fuck! Shake it all around like beach hair. Just shake it off! You got a mullet. You got a mullet. You have a mullet.
Oh, this is awesome.
I kind of like it. It's like the short vibes. We just need to like get rid of the hair now.
They do look like dusty. Look at that. I'm kind of starting to see what I'm going to look like. Man, that is a mullet. I'll let the girls do the mullet. Do the mull.
Loving it?
Not yet. Here comes Mum.
Actually, I love it. I love it.
Alright, just get it off.
I love it. Oh my god.
Go.
How could you see looking short hair?
Okay, can we just finish it, please?
Why would you let your sisters hack your hair?
It's not the eyebrows. Don't do the eyebrows. How's it feeling, Brianna?
Well, it's getting there.
No, what do you mean?
No,
your neck's
you
hairy.
need to shave your neck, right?
You can't have long neck hair.
You can't have long neck hairs,
Yeah,
Brianna.
but you're making it skin bald. Oh, what are you doing? Sideburns?
Oh, I'm not at the barber.
I've just had a quick body shower / hair shower to get all the little hairs off me. And now we are going to finish some of the long bits on top.
Just, you don't look at the camera, you just keep your head still.
But I'm famous. I have now shaved my head. It actually feels amazing. Oh, I can't stop touching it. This is my look for now. Sorry, like the quality changed in this video. I filmed my intro on my camera, but then it decided to die, so I had to film the shaving and this last section on my iPhone, so I'm hoping the quality isn't too bad. Yeah, this is my hair. Oh, I can't stop touching it. Oh, what do you reckon, Buster? Buster, what do you reckon of my hair? There we go, no one knows. Nobody knows. Oh, hey. Anyways, I hope this video was just as entertaining as it was for me. Well, I'm gonna go now and play with my hair, well, what I've got left of it. Bald girl, out.